Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Functions of vitamin B6: brain development, promotes red blood cell production, strengthens immune system, essential for the nervous system. Make antibodies. Antibodies are needed to fight against diseases. Keep blood glucose levels in normal, helps the immune system. Deficiency of vitamin B6 causes anemia. Symptoms: hyperirritability, nausea, vomiting, fits. Depression, fatigue, skin inflammation, cardiovascular problems, anemia, neurological degeneration, dementia. Sources of vitamin B6 are cereals, oil seeds, vegetables, milk, meat, fish, eggs, liver. Vitamin B7, biotin. Functions of vitamin B7: maintains healthy skin, maintains healthy cholesterol, strengthens nails, strengthens hair, regulate blood sugar, proper functioning of nervous system. Symptoms: fatigue, dermatitis, loss of appetite, weakness. Brittle nails, nervous disorders. Hair loss, muscle pains, mental depression. Sources of vitamin B7 are pulses, nuts, vegetables, liver, milk, beef liver, eggs, salmon fish, avocados, pork, sweet potato, seeds, kidney. Vitamin B9, folic acid. Helps tissues grow and cells work. Works with vitamin B12 and vitamin C to help the body break down, use and create new proteins. Helps forming red blood cells, producing DNA, the building block of the human body, which carries genetic information. Healthy hair, skin and nails. Functions of vitamin B9 are brain and nerve function, healthy liver, heart and other organs. Good nails, good skin. Deficiency of vitamin B9 causes anemia. Symptoms: diarrhea, loss of leukocytes, problems related to mucus in the intestines, nausea, weight loss, insomnia. Fatigue, mouth sores, depression. Sources of vitamin B9 are liver, meat, eggs, milk, fruits, cereals, leafy vegetables. Vitamin B9 deficiency causes spina bifida. It is a condition that affects the spine and is apparent at birth. It is a type of neural tube defect. Vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin. Functions of cyanocobalamin are: it is crucial to the normal function of the brain and the nervous system. It is involved in the formation of red blood cells and helps to create and regulate DNA. The metabolism of every cell in the body depends on vitamin B12, as it plays a part in the synthesis of fatty acids and energy production. Deficiency of cyanocobalamin causes pernicious anemia. Symptoms: lean and weak, less appetite, headache, dizziness. Rapid heartbeat, muscle fatigue. Fingers numbness and tingling, headache, balance problems. Sources of vitamin B12 are: it is synthesized by the bacteria present in the intestine. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Functions of vitamin C: it is helpful to protect cells and keeps them healthy, maintaining healthy skin, helping with wound healing, maintaining cartilage and bone. Deficiency of ascorbic acid causes scurvy. Symptoms: delay in healing of wounds, dry and splitting hair, dry scaly skin, fracture in bones, fatigue, weak immune system, nose bleeds, gingivitis, swollen joints. Sources of ascorbic acid are green leafy vegetables, citrus fruits, sprout.